welcome back to everybody who's watching with us online. My name is Sharon Finegan. I'm the Director of the Office of Environmental Sustainability here in the EPA, and I'm the chair of this second session. And the session is bringing us together to discuss the theme of planning for a climate neutral and resilient Ireland by 2033 or 2030 and beyond. And I suppose to help me explore and elaborate on these themes over the next 90 minutes or so, I'm going to be joined by various speakers on stage and on screen who are going to offer us their expert insight and their perspective. Our keynote speaker today is from the Department of Housing, and Mr. Paul Hogan, who's the Chief Planning Officer, who's going to deliver a keynote address for us on planning for a climate neutral and resilient Ireland by 2030 and beyond. Following that, we'll hear perspectives from three further guest panellists: Conor Murphy, Professor of Geography at Maynooth University; Ken Cleary, Principal Officer at the Department of Public Expenditure and Reform; and Matt Crowe, who's going to be joining us via Zoom this morning, who's the co-chair of the Project Woodland Working Group. They're then going to join me on stage with Paul for an open discussion on the key issues that have been emerging during each of their contributions. You're going to have the opportunity to feed into that discussion. We really would like to invite questions both from those of you listening online and watching online, and indeed the live audience that we have here. If you can raise your hands at that point and wait for a microphone to come for you. For those of you who are asking questions online, can I just ask that you indicate your name and the organisation that you're coming from as you're posing your question? That would be really helpful for us.